My name is Irene Bracamonte. I am the grandmother of Alize Irene Garcia. She took my name, my middle name, for her middle name. Well, I was there to support her 100%. She was not doing well in high school, so her mother looked for the best online school that she could find, and she found Enlightium to be one of them. And she did very well with the school, and we're here today because she's graduating. We're so excited. Absolutely. There were a lot of changes, including loving school and loving to do what she was doing to graduate. She's a very motivated girl, but she's very shy like her mother, so therefore Grandma's here, which is shy too, but I want to be here for her. She did well in her classes. She had a very good counselor, so she was constantly on board, and therefore graduating 1 year ahead of time, which is really awesome. Yes, she took advantage of the homework, doing it all times, all periods of the day. But I mean, what I saw is that she really loved the online school. She liked the programs that she was given, and I find that it was easy for her. At least she felt it was easier for her. She did a little volunteering to get better. She did it for her grades, but she did do volunteering, and she wants to become a nurse practitioner, so neonatal nurse. So she's already enrolled, and this school helped her get there. So Enlightium was a big part of where she's headed today. I would say definitely yes. Her GPA went up. She loved the online part of it. She loved the teachers, the courses that were there. So it's definitely something to look at for anyone who's not doing well in regular school. The Enlightium turned out to be a very good school for her.